Yes.
Okay, friends, today what we've got is we've got the Skil, the old Skil 1629 Type 3, made in Chicago. So for those that know saws, this is a sort of a second generation Canadian PM power machinery kind of thing. 68cc, 3/8 chain. I'm guessing about a 16-inch bar. So let's see how it cuts some of this peppermint stringy bark. But at the end of the day, I'm quite sure that it's some kind of gum. I could be quite confident on that one. Okay, let's have a go at some of this small stuff, see what we come up with. Ooh. Well, there you go, friends. The old Skil 1629 did a good job. Like I say, 68cc. Bad camera angles and ergonomics down here for cutting and videoing. But as you can tell, with that 16-inch bar on it at 68cc, it's got more than enough grunt, and it'd pull that bar all day. Just with this stringy bark and with this heavy bark arrangement, you can see how just how fibrous that bark is. It's how incredibly fibrous that is, and of course that going along the edge of your cutter bar is like 100 paintbrushes, taking all the oil off the side of your bar, and any excess oil that was around the tooth or trying to fling out has just been encapsulated in this bark, and it takes bloody 3 horsepower to get through the bark. So there you go. Alright, my vintage Skil. This is Blockhead. Hope you're having a nice day, and I'm out.